Kampuni ya Safaricom ina miaka 25 na M-Pesa ina miaka 18. Kiri pamoja tu bara tuonete Safaricom ikinyawe kinyete itu kumenya ara twari mbere ya na itu kumenya ara twari mbere ya M-Pesa you know, the other day da story ya burana arabu mete becha chiatuma wanangari because no tubwa kwendemira Mombasa, so ngari becha chiatuma wanangari na most of the times actually then kiumia ukibwa becha ikuyo maita ya dhatu nani mamilioni ya mbecha, but with Safaricom ilikuwa na yareta M-Pesa ni kwethu kwena walulu kubonene sana bakwethro ati wamba ni boniyete na kwethro kwena convenience ya utuma mbecha mtu ari somewhere Turukana ni mutori enu maybe mantu yo buthukira na kwenda gatu kana we ngona ibiashara ene na kwenda utumira maybe omwokera kinya kiyo kya nguku na ni raisi ni kuinya tuthi mweku, so yani o mantu kwenda tuthi tukiaririo tuko I mean rokero ruari kiri mubango yoyo akukia na kiri mubango yo chanchamoka kiro FM 96.4 twaririe mantu ya mbecha na Safaricom na M-Pesa. So M-Pesa nende na mini app kiri app yo actually ni utiabo yaro bakwithro kionjorethia mbecha chiaku ba uyeta Ziidi Money Market Fund. Ziidi Money Market Fund kana Ziidi MMF ni njira ya kuonjorethia mbecha chiaku na yotu kwenda tuithwa tukiaririo tukubarua rukiro ruari tukumeno tukuo tuko tuli na Glory kuba kwa Safaricom. Karibu sana Glory, thank you very much no tubakweya kwaraniria na mutegeri na muthikiri wa wero. Safaricom ina miaka 18 ni mbibio customer Safaricom ethro abati kwithro akiwira iro bere buruke thie muthikiri na mutegeri wa wero.
Okay, ibwaga sana athikiria betu na ategeri ba wero mugeni buinde marito mbeto wa Glory wa Ridhara kuma Safaricom bithero nde trade representative ndere Safaricom bere maito kuga Safaricom M-Pesa specifically iturakinyiria miaka 18 na miaka ya 10 happy birthday itukuga happy birthday M-Pesa iturakinyiria miaka 10 ya to adults taitwe na kibandi, so in simple itukugibwaga na tuendelee gutumira M-Pesa in terms of services chia M-Pesa ojabura womba ikuga tene antu batuma na irambesa na ngare kana basha mantu jajau, lakini M-Pesa ekweja maishi jombiri kwa a bit simplified that hiyo renyathi mweku ukena tuma mbesa. Yes, na on top of that tuenderete tukibuilda on M-Pesa tuena M-Pesa nyata tombegu improve maisha jenwe as apart from kwethera bwena M-Pesa eu na nandi kwenda tombi kwethera tuena financial inclusion ke customers petu tuketha twetegera mantu jazidi na bukona Ziidi platform irea built on M-Pesa ne gugutetheria kwethera ke invest mbesa chiaku from as low as egana remo wake nukumbiko earn interest.
Katwariri mantu ya Ziidi. First of all, Ziidi ni mbi na tribera Ziidi Money Market Fund. Money Market Fund ni nini?
Okay, kwena ginto geta wa Money Market Fund. I'm sure anto baba inge ituije mantoja bank. Turego ginto geta wa bank na tuena bank accounts. Turego mantoja insurance na turego mantoja jasako na tuena nande Money Market Fund. Na into beyond the bina ninto mwanya. Totegere kemo kenda tombi kuerewa what is a money market fund. Weja ke bank, what do you do with a bank in mbiwete kodithia ko transact either no ko withdraw mbesa kana no ko deposit mbecha no ko mbi kwethero kirea school fees chiana na intoja bill na ndio ketheria bank i platform ireja customers ability kumba ko transact. Number 2 twetege insurance iditha yate haigo caution to in case of an emergency ukethira wena caution ire jaweta kethira isibitari nonto you have an insurance fund ukethiria utikure ambesa the insurance nego kugu caution in case of death kwina that caution that is an insurance. Twetege sacco. What is a sacco? I'm sure it will be very many saccos. What is the difference between a sacco and a bank? Sacco chiejire ko address gapire ya ke banks tene nonto otegera mbere customers baraba savawi banks bedhe hide the who is who, but nande the circles were very quick to identify that gap na beja na a financial system ecosystem whereby ibakombi will take care of mwananchi uri kawaida. Yes, nyamurethio nguku, mukethio majani, mukethio kawa, bau bonde. Nande SACCOs cheja with a way of kwethirwa ikegutetheria also kuona something amongst the members. But nande there is something called money market fund. One thing about money market fund, it is an investment platform. Arewe toge kirambesa chiaku, ende kirage ko differentiate MMF ne winge chionde kwa gentogetawa compound interest. You know, the banks ne winge operate on a simple interest, whereby it is the principal, besi rewe kireke then 10,000, ichiko iko an interest. But wajake money market fund, wekirambesa chiaku, mbesa chiaku ikedhiru ikiomba ko an interest, na interest ereo an ikedho ego chiarairai mbesa ingi. Yes, koku ina the principal iko an interest, na the interest ereo kwethoge kaira niko an nego gochiarira. Kwa ima chiara juu jakumba gochiarana.
Inile sasa wana mtu amuria kunaenda aje kule ni God maze.
Ni God maze. Nakwambia ni God maze, lakini kuna kitu amefanya. Kuna kitu amefanya, kuna pesa ameweka mahali.
Yes. So tofauti ya mwanya yua Ziidi money market fund na money market fund itia bank mwanya nimbi because nito ntubati kuinvest kile Ziidi anto abeta bank ine kwa invest kwa kile money market.
Okay, thank you. Tweteke Ziidi. Number one with Ziidi, it is very easy to invest. Ejake investment cheto itokwa customers beto by M-Pesa, barabe na M-Pesa nonto number one omonka wethero ina operational M-Pesa account. Nukuona from as low
which I believe
mtu otena M-Pesa na barato tena choto itetorugore. Yes, so nego ko opportunity ya kumba kwethero ke invest from as low as 100 shillings. Ukethiria other MMFs kwechuchi thao china minimum limit ya even 5,000. Nuko neoni ko lockout mtore kwa njeri maisha. But with Ziidi itogo kwa opportunity ya kumba kwethero ke invest from as low as 100 shilling. No kombi kwethero ogetegera igana remon. Orero mbigo chiarana monkinya riga kwa ngiri 30 na ngiri 40. Yeah, and then number 2, utegweti any documentation ko join Ziidi as long as wena an M-Pesa account. No kombi ko deposit na ko withdraw. You are eligible for Ziidi.
The story chiare tepi ni kiare kibanda kya yoyo nini na staff hakuna.
Otemanto jaja unonto erugora M-Pesa yetu no rugorire na kibande. Okona ko already twena information eku. Na ndeje ke Ziidi ureta tu uka dial *334 hash uka choose number 5 financial services uka opt in ke Ziidi MMF.
Also Ziidi etekire app yake ya M-Pesa.
Yes, kwena njere chegutonya ke Ziidi. Na hiyo ekumemeka so easier. Whether in a smartphone jeje no weteke Play Store kana App Store eku uka download M-Pesa, that M-Pesa ni the M-Pesa app. And then we download the M-Pesa app.
Kuna app ile, sorry. Kuna app ile, kuna Safaricom, my Safaricom app, my
M-Pesa app.
So but kidro wina M-Pesa app.
My M-Pesa app here.
M-Pesa app nyo ina Ziidi.
Yes.
Okay.
Na ndio getake M-Pesa app, wetake M-Pesa app ukona nto kuandiki Ziidi. Uga select Ziidi, alafu geta financial services. And then uka join in. That is with a smartphone. Whether o inaga tururu, nyantobaga tururu bateo tigwa. Uka dial *334 hash, ugeta number 5 financial services, uka join ke Ziidi. Na ndio didio already wendene Ziidi. Na ndiko invest just like that. Ugotonya ke Ziidi. And then another thing with Ziidi, etethero ina charges cha withdrawal kana deposit. Tuge kwerere okwendi gwitambesa chiaku ke M-Pesa account ochikia ke Ziidi account. It is 0. Utege ntutubugu charge. Utebio kugitwa is 0. Na rere okwendi gwitambesa chiaku ke the Ziidi account which okia ke M-Pesa eku it is 0. Uteke tugu charge. Kwa uno kuona interest ero kedero onete at least okedero ina gento winakyo.
So glory tuki activate Ziidi. Dore kwina maita yeli. Kuyo wikira ukarita mbecha chiaku orero kenda na kuyo wetera mwanka 72 hours. What is the difference?
What is the difference? Okay, ke Ziidi twina option ijere. Kwina instant withdrawal na kwina the locking ukalock finances chiaku. Tuatake instant withdrawal kutena maximum number of times ireo mbiku withdraw. No withdraw as much as you want. Nanda withdraw dai ikeja instant. Kwa it is an instant thing. Ekire mpesa ku instantly. And then watakere locked account wije kwere ochira inkwendi ko ndina financial discipline. You know, every time when they're in a need ugetoka itambesa chiako.
Most of us like that.
And you know when ambesa you go igekoroma. Nande kenda because when that financial discipline to in the lock account ukalock mbesa chiako rendene for as long as you want. In case ukedhiro wina need mbesa ire itakuwa just 72 hours. Jatugetha hii the INJERU ndeko apply kwa unlock mbesa chiako ngetera 72 hours from the and then besi automatically kaja ke account eku mpesa. So for the locked account it is 72 hours and then enge instant na itena the maximum number of withdrawals no ureo kenda. Yes.
So kiri locked kya kwedra bikile tembetse chako kiri locked, say for example in benefit 10,000 for example kida na dikire te kiri locked ndena kanya ka ku withdraw nusu kana no kandite chionde.
For now to in a provision ugaita chionde. Yes, for the locked account. But for the account enge reote locate no withdraw anytime and any amount. Yes, that is it. And then
ingirie 10 no withdraw ingirie
idano
wachoka ringio ka withdraw idano.
Yes.
Okay, very well. So katwari mantu ya maweya ya kwithro invest kiri money market fund na tofauti ya kuinvest kiri money market fund na maybe geta ku save mbesa chako.
Let's say this money market fund i platform weta atotumire dietore go pack mbesa chako ukajokia mbesa chako ugetoga achika area and then ikedho igechiara na as you are thinking maybe of a business idea ereogetiko ko implement. We many other times to there are business ideas ende tutena that clarity na tuena cash at hand nande anto tumira mbesa ire ugachikira ke the money market Ziidi money market fund ikethiru igechiarana as you fine tune business idea yewe nayo nande ore kanya go fine tune no wete ogaita mbesa ire uka invest. Now with Ziidi money market fund nukuona our interest rate ewe gochiarana te fixed.
Glory. So is it a way of saving na nimbi mwanya yo ayobidrwa bekite becha kwa kiri Ziidi MMF kana anto abidrwa bekite kiri mshwari
nukuona with Ziidi kwena the interest rate na interest rate ewe change ya per day. Tugeja egoro erare.
Oh, it's not constant.
It's not constant. Jegoro tuko erare 7.3 around 7.36%. No kedheri echo yare mwanya. Ko with Ziidi MMF totena constant interest rate. Iretaige fluctuator. Indo kedheri other investment platforms bena fixed interest rate. Jo kedha bekwerambu ge 5% per annum. Nandeno kuona with Ziidi itogo kwa that flexibility. If the market is performing well, mbesa chiaku getegechiara nayo nkuruki. Nande that bet is what is making Ziidi edherwaye very special in the market, that you can even earn to the interest of 10% kuitia depending on the status.
Kuna maximum ya bet ira umba wikara kiri Ziidi kanira umba kuinvest kiri Ziidi
as much as you want. Irena maximum I withdrawals. Like for example, per day kempesa transact mbesa ngana. What is the 500,000 and then you split it into 250. Kwa winyeja ke Ziidi you cannot withdraw more than 500,000.
So it applies
the same. In the jake investment inyoenda 10 million, inyoenda billion, you can invest there and your money is secure. Yes.
Okay. So kuri mudikeria wewe na batita ina na utodikira ari churi atire inkia wikira mbesa chia kwa kiri Ziidi money market fund for how long bumba witia ko, for how long chuba kuria ko itara anata, like is there a maximum time chuba kuria ko, and then maybe kero mbele chia kwa ni retere kire.
Okay, mbere tegeri betu na likiri betu mbesa chia kuchege Ziidi, they are secure. Kuwa ukaigua we no gua. Why? Ziidi ito regulated to the CMA, you know, the regulating body ya MMFs. We are regulated, kwa your money is secured. Inye wende kara nara miaka 10, it is okay. Wende kara mwaka jumo, it is okay. Ende mbesa chiaku, chi very secure in the hands of Ziidi, na iteombiko nyuande. Okay. Ite nyuande. Very well.
So, ile kire Ziidi utumba kutumira mtu na anko kareta kire M-Pesa, right?
Yes. KZidi umba kiko transfer mbesire kuma KZidi account ukaireta M-Pesa eku nande kuma M-Pesa eku gatumira baugo kwenda ende utumbiko dhidi ya direct transaction kuma KZidi to another person. And then also another thing kege ntoke Ziidi te group investment. Eje kwa ntobombi koria noto eje toge kundigi anto ekomi toka investare. Ziidi individual account investment. Ogwe non to details chafu tu inachio uka investare. Ende for now tege kundi. But you can no one mbesa kia chore ugetoke investor au ende under your name. Yes.
You know, kintu kira mtu edha eno bwana kyo. Ni ati maybe, you know, tibe to instances tia bank ko collapse, tia antu ikaura. So you want to assure us that Ziidi is not like better at any time. Better tia kwa chiyo bakura. You know, some of us tukia wekira becha girie kwa banki ne tudiroka like 2 times a day kwa na keda banki tina unwa. Yeah.
So with Ziidi, being a money market fund to another regulatory body. And the regulatory body is our Capital Markets Authority, CMA, your body regulator, the MMFs in Kenya. No, we are still under CMA. Kwa mbesa chia kuche protected how CMA keeps on auditing us. It without when auditing periods. Na tukiendere without tuki auditawa. Why? CMA ne kwendigo protect mbesa chia investors. Kwa in case of any irregularities, okay, there is CMA is there to tell you, no, this is not right. Kwa there's that regulatory body. And then number 2, we have the fund managers. We have something called the fund managers. We have different people that we have partnered with, different investment bodies that we have partnered with. Na yu ichikwe theria, igeto tetheria kumenya, where are we investing? Na yajake co-invest, you just don't invest. Yani toteti ku invest mbesa chienu onareto kwenda. No munka tuwe to scrutinize ite ina to co-invest. Na mostly uketheria to reinvest ke the T-bills, you know, which we are sure of. Nokuona?
So my money is safe.
Your money is safe. And your money is secure.
Thank you.
Yes.
So now, okay, that is the manto yangi. Tuiratri, how do I sign up? Kiri Ziidi, I know no to elezere, but for the interest ya mtura watu wana dai. Tuire how urambo ba ukumakiri Ziidi Money Market Fund na urambo ba kwa deposit beta chianga.
Okay, tuanjiri na go sign up. Gento kiambere tugire for you to have a Ziidi account. No munkawe we are registered M-Pesa user. Nande tuanjiri na kethira wina thimu katururu. Kethira wina gatururu uka dial *334 hash. *334 hash. Kwena options uka reterwa uga select number 5 financial services. O select financial services as a new person higa kwero opt in, that is join. O join. Nande o join account ekwe kethiro active. That is for a person with katururu na still inyamtu na smartphone jeje no waited through the USSD *334 hash, the same process. Lakini ukenda igweta more digital no utume the M-Pesa app. Ugeta ge Play Store, uka download M-Pesa app and then uka choose Ziidi financial services, uka join. That is joining.
So mtu ina katuluwa ka deposit hata kiri Ziidi.
KZidi. Yeah. The same process. *334 hash, number 5 financial services. Na ndio already nonto no join ire igakuretera menu. Na menu ire igakekedo ekoraya urenda kuthithia tia ku invest. Yes. Na ndio ga choose Ziidi invest.
Is this depositing or investing?
Let me nyato the practically na goe you can the customers bombe kwere boega star 334 hash order star 334 hash uga choose number 5 star 334 hash uga choose number 5 e battery go konenkera financial services they like one star 335 hash star 334 hash.
Well, akwe kadena kanetwa kidogo.
Yes.
334 hash.
Number 5 financial services. Ukono watake financial services ekuretera Ziidi banking circles uka select number 1 Ziidi. Odhura Ziidi ikakuretera ikakwira Ziidi MMF kana Ziidi Sharia. So for now tuna Ziidi MMF. Ziidi Sharia ewige ntoto work on. Ukadhura for Muslims. Uga choose Ziidi MMF. Na ndio kinyare ekoria urendi ko invest, urendi go check balance eku, urendi ko withdraw, ko urendi ko lock funds chaku kani account eku kwendi kona ure ikari. Na ndio goka dhura kiro ukwenda. Kethiri ko invest, ukauga invest, ira kuri investingana automatically tuge shilingi magana jairi ega kusia kuma ke M-Pesa. Uteso ka ke M-Pesa kairi ega ikusia yo it's automated ega ikusia yongo ego ikere 200 k.
Very convenient, right?
Very convenient.
Yes. Now I think we are done with Ziidi na kede kuibungi kwenda utueleza before we cross to something else.
Now for Ziidi the other thing pendiko boresera mtu noethero akiora ya dena issue na Ziidi mpombe uteve kate. Yes. Number 1 we have our call numbers. You can dial 100 ukaringa, and then for the post pay whatever post pay ukaringa na 200. And then also no we take the nearest customer care center to na care desk all over no bete bakeda bete the ruare kana bageta ki the retail shops ilachi in the different major towns bagate the ruare
maybe M-Pesa agent.
M-Pesa agents beto no buetera no to we have empowered them. We are working with M-Pesa agents to disseminate information and in your getaro kediro oreretwe agakwerese. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now what else do we have kumakire Safaricom?
Yes.
Tokiwere
Okay. Safaricom itwetete na mbere twikura. Na itwetete na mbere twetegaira ni ate tumbi gutetheria customers betu batetheka. Kwa twina customer care outlets. No ketheria customer care outlets each in different parts of the county. Weta Kerua twina customer care outlet na re. Weja Makutano, weja town twina retail shop. Weta Kariene, Mkobo, Chogoria, the different towns kwina the customer care outlets. Ku kedho wina the Safaricom. Toriugate monkao ugite safari wejete mutindo etake the nearest customer care center no kombi kwithiro witetheka. Yes. Na
no tutukwira ntumantu ya smartphones ndorere kinyabu ina smartphones very rahisi sana tia kunankira antu na lipa mdogo ziko.
Now with the phones what you do no with the rogeta also ke the same customer care outlets you to inachuo kuwa to carry the different parts no with the rogeta re ugateve kirare. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now any other something beautiful kumakire Safaricom?
Yes, nanda tukuga with Ziidi nonto the talk in town is Ziidi anto batoni Ziidi na ore whether ina mashinani ndene buru tutonye ke Ziidi. Let us invest our money na tumbi kwithwa tukiona mbesa chetu
igechia kenda kinyena mboya kwira anto ni God mazi.
Yes ni God. Ukisema ni God unajua zimetoka wapi.
Unajua zimetoka kwa Ziidi.
Yes.
So thank you very much Glory. Thank you very much notubwa kweja na kwaraniria na Mumeru ingwitikia tha itu in very new many customers ba Ziidi because ni njirembe ya mtu konjerethia mbecha chake. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Asante.
Thank you very much mutegeri wa Weru TV na muthikiri wa Weru FM na withiro kiaraniria na Glory na no withiro kinyaba tu kiarana batu twatuma ujumbe bwaku kiri Glory ututumira SMS kiri 23578 ni namba yetu ya SMS namba yetu na mari na ukethira we muri kioria ni bibio kwenda kwithira ukimenya kuma kiri Safaricom kuma kiri M-Pesa kuma kiri Ziidi na akethira aitueleza kana akethira ki get in touch na uwe akethira uchokeria tumirie kuna to kwenda kumenya kuma kile Safaricom. Thank you very much. Tukari na Glory ni TDR inamaanisha
Trade Development Representative
wa Safaricom. Na tukiarira chimanto ya Ziidi wonbe to Martin wechongi ndala